We're here with my cousin Zian again. This is his superstore. You can see it, right? So Zian, you own this?
Yeah, for 1 peso.
So he owns the mansion, he owns the mountain, he owns the Vikings restaurant, and now he owns the supermarket.
Yeah.
Wow, look how much stuff he owns, and all these people he rents them to go in his supermarket.
That's my worker.
Wow, so you are rich?
Yeah.
You are rich.
Oh.
Not again. He tried to eat the microphone again.
What, my food?
Yeah, how much is your food? Why you charge so much peso?
I don't know. This is not my market.
I thought you owned the market.
Oh, yeah.
This is my cousin Zia and he owns the market.
Yeah, move. Yeah, but I steal the food.
So he steal his own merchandise in his what is that? What did you take?
The mayonnaise.
He took mayonnaise for whatever. You took up. What did you steal?
The mayonnaise.
Why do you need mayonnaise?
For the fries.
For what?
Fries.
Why?
Potato.
Why?
To eat.
For what?
The potato.
Why?
To eat.
Eat what?
My food.
Why?
To get the mayonnaise.
For?
The potato.
Why?
The fries. First.
Ban, 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 ban.
Oh.
Ah, it's a joke. Ah. Ban.
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 Ban. Ah. Oh, oh, oh. There's pollution in the air.
Yeah, it's so good.
What does it taste like?
I don't know.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, I
Why?
think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Ban.
Ban.
No.
Ah, ah, ah.
Oh, look. Ban. Ban. Oh. Ban. Ban.
My cousin Zian, he owns this racetrack just like he owns the mansion, the Vikings restaurant, and the mountain, right? So you own this, right?
Yeah, the racetrack for free.
Wow, so just like 1 peso, 10 peso, 5 peso, now this one is all for free. So you own this truck right over here, right?
Yeah.
Wow, so you own everything now, huh? How rich are you? Are you rich? Oh, so here we are watching the off-road race with the trucks, and it seems like one of the drivers are stuck there. They can't get out of the pit on that little ramp, so they're gonna have to try to get out of the pit where they're stuck. And then there's also other drivers out there that they need to make their way all the way over here. But it seems like they're trying to get some help over here to take this one out. So yeah. So it seems like they can't get the truck out. They may need to be calling for more assistance, but there is another truck right over there. So let's see if they can somehow help, or I don't know what they're gonna do. They're probably gonna stop over. So I don't know. We're just waiting for them to get out of the pit. Until then, seems like they're going around. Let's see who ends up winning this race. I don't know if it's really a contest or not, but let's go ahead and enjoy the show. So now they're pulling out the other one with this truck. It's not nice. It seems like they did get them out. So now the race can actually start to begin and continue like how it was before. So yeah. Seems like they're gonna continue to drive even though something fell out at the very bottom. So I don't know if that's really good for the car or not, but let's see what happens.
More like that.
So after a long time, they did finally get some cars out of the stuck. After a long time, they did get some cars out of the pit, but some more got stuck like this. But there's another one right here. I believe they are timed while they're doing this, so I think there is a prize for at least top 3 or top 5 in this race. So I wonder who really ends up winning at the end. It seems like the cars keep getting stuck over in the same pit over and over again. They can't seem to quite make the jump or even get started like this truck over here. You can't get over the first little bump like that one. So maybe they might get another car to take them out. So once again, it does seem like they are pulling out a truck who did get stuck in the same exact spot. Stop, please. Exactly the same spot. So I'm not exactly so sure who's gonna win the race. We might end up leaving due to the situation that it just takes too long for them to get out of the pit, and they can't seem to successfully get over there. So I don't really know what to do.
Look, go. Start recording. With my phone.
It seems like they're still trying to get out of the pit. But again, they are stuck in the same spot, so it seems like they got more assistance to pull them out once again. Looks like they are finally getting them out. He's trying to get out and they are pulling him manually. Oh, nice. Okay, they did get him out. So nice. It seems like they ended up getting the situation handled, but I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna stick around to see who ends up winning the whole entire race. Or at least they got them out, so that's good. Seems like now they are reversing to go back this way. Instead of continuing along the path, they are going back the same way they came from. Sure. Oh, alright, they did. They ended up making it quite nicely. Oh, the water is actually too deep, I think. Oh, okay, but they did make it out. Seemed like it was way too deep, but nice. So we did make it back home from the race, so I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one.